From my SI background, I've also seen quite an interesting a set of use cases for customers. Typically a lot of customers will have a 2 to 3 camera studio setup, and that could be used for corporate communications internally. It could be used for marketing. They could be recording content and then doing post on it. One of the big things I have done a lot of business with is people or big corporations putting in studios to address Bloomberg, CNBC Live. So the CFO and the CEO will come in and they'll do an announcement about the company's figures and so on. So it gives them the ability to address the markets direct. Also, of course, internal training is a big part of what studios are used for. As James mentioned, podcasting has been becoming a very, very popular a process going forward, where we're seeing lots of casual based studios, typically 1 to 3 cameras. It's a great facility for small corporate companies to get their brand out there, to share content about their products. We're seeing a lot of companies doing small corporate presentation rooms. So it may be in the VP area where it's a single camera and the VPs can use it to address the stakeholders, do a very high stake meeting, depending on who's involved. And the newest thing I've seen a lot of recently is a lot of studios that are presenting spaces. So it may be an elevated stage with lights, a couple of cameras. It could be in an open space or a dedicated room. And it may be where the customer or the company does a pitch to their customers. So we're seeing a lot of interesting use cases around studios. They're all fundamentally studios, but they're being broken out to slightly different, more defined use cases.